Owning an electric car is exciting. It's good for the environment, saves you money on gas, and lets you zoom around town in style. But what if your home charger throws a wrench in those plans? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many EV owners face common problems that can leave them frustrated and out of juice. Improper installation, faulty wiring, yikes! That's a safety hazard. Call a qualified electrician for installation now at 888-559-7851. Power mismatch? Using the wrong power source is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just won't work. Charger malfunction. Even the best machines can act up sometimes. Watch for error codes or flashing lights. Software glitches. Keep your charger updated just like your phone. Those updates can make a big difference. Loose connections. Over time, things can get wiggly. Double check all connections for a secure charge. Wrong charger type. Using the wrong connector is like trying to use the wrong key in your door. Make sure it matches your vehicle software woes. Outdated car software can be a roadblock to charging bliss. Check for updates regularly. Battery blues. Batteries lose some power over time, so charging might take a bit longer. But that's normal. Slow charging. Could be the charger, the power supply, or even the weather. Power problems. Outages and surges can disrupt charging or damage your charger. Consider surge protection. No internet connection. Some fancy chargers rely on the internet. Make sure yours has a good signal. If you're facing any of these home EV charger issues, don't despair. Call the experts at 888-559-7851. They'll connect you with a qualified electrician who can diagnose the problem and get you back on the road. Or should we say, back on the charge. Remember, prevention is key. Regular checkups and proper use can avoid many problems. So keep your cool, call the pros, and get ready to cruise again. 888-559-7851.